Very few people know that the Akali Dal gave a proposed state led by the Maharaja of Patiala consisting of Indian Punjab, Pakistani Punjab including Lahore and Shimla Hill states. But that theory was postulated pripartition. In 1980, Jagjit Singh Chohan shifted to London and announced the formation of Khalistan. At the same period of time, Balbir Singh Sandho also announced the same declaration. The movement of Khalistan got its fame in 2019 when, in the same year, the British government banned an organisation, Sikhs for Justice. British Empire was against the division of India as, at that time, the whole of India was a treasure for Imperialist Britain for resources and wealth. However, the division of any land from motherland on the basis of religion and language is not appreciatable, but the aim of Britain was not that progressive theory. The religion of Sikhism is not as ancient as Hinduism. Former religion is 2500 BC old, while Sikhs' religion formed some 500 years ago. Khalistan movement gets support from Sikhs living in the US, Canada, Britain, and Pakistan. However, in recent years, support from Pakistan has been down to an extent under the pressure of the Western world. The Khalistan movement got set back in 1980, when Indian Congress leader Indira Gandhi government launched the Operation Blue Star. This operation was heavy military operation against Sikh separatists who were sheltering in Golden Temple, Amritsar. An estimated number of more than 400 people were killed in the operation, which included pilgrims and also some soldiers. Indira government wanted to negotiate with Sikh separatists, but on the 1st of June 1980, negotiations failed. After this bloodshed, the situation became adverse in Indian Punjab. Sikh militant history is very ancient. In 1628, Sikhs won the Battle of Amritsar. In March 1748, a battle was fought between Sikhs and Mughal forces. However, in recent years, the strength of the Khalistan movement has faced hardships. It lost its power in Indian Punjab due to the strict eye of Indian government. Recently, India had targeted Sikh separatists leaders in Canada, Britain, Pakistan and other countries. A Sikh leader Jagjit Singh was killed in British Columbia in 2023. In 2024, 4 Sikh Indians were burnt in Canada. Movement alleges Indian government was behind these killing targets. In present war tension in between Pakistan and India, Sikh leaders opposed this going on war. Rather, they supported Pakistan. Famous ex-cricketer Jagjit Singh Sandho also opposed this war. In his statement, he said that in Punjab of both sides, Sikh and Muslims live together, and a war will kill both sides. One day before, May 2025, India also targeted Nankana Sahib with drone, which Pakistani forces intercepted and destroyed. This city is located in Pakistani Punjab and is famous for a Sikh religious building. This city is the birthplace of Guru Nanak. Every year Sikh pilgrims from India visit this place.